Hey guys, Snow Miser has hit us big time with this weather. We are expected along the whole mid-Atlantic up through New England area to be seeing temps that we haven't seen in decades. So we're talking about 0 degrees, -10, wind chills in the 20s, below zero. But here's the deal, a lot of people have been asking me questions and texting me that they're having frozen pipes in their house. So I don't care if your house is new, I don't care if your house is old, you can still have frozen pipes. So here's the deal, if you have ever had frozen pipes or your heat is failing, your heat is off, your power outage, and it's dropping, you want to make sure that you are leaving your pipes running. Sounds crazy, but before you go to bed tonight, you want to make sure that the water's dripping. Okay, this is really important. You want to go to the furthest plumbing device in your house from your water source. Okay, so we're talking about an upstairs bathroom, far away from the basement. You want to let the water trickle. If you're going to be home, you want to turn it on every hour, make sure it's still flowing. You want to flush the toilet every hour to make sure that it's still filling. This is really, really important. You want to make sure that the water's moving because when it's moving, it can't freeze as quickly. And lastly, make sure you know where the water main is. God forbid you have a pipe burst and things start to leak, you want to be able to shut it down. And if you have fixtures that are on outside walls, those are especially prone to freezing. So you want to make sure that you keep those dripping. And maybe you want to use a space heater, but don't leave space heaters on all night because you can have fire risks from those.